What if I told you that the most important, most used tool in your kitchen is also the most overlooked? For decades, we've settled for cheap steel and boring designs. But that ends now. The year 2026 is bringing a revolution in quality, materials, and pure artistry that will make your entire kitchen look and feel elite. Today, we're not just looking at sinks. We're uncovering the 5 basins that represent the absolute pinnacle of craftsmanship and innovation. The kind of quality that lasts a lifetime. All purchase links are waiting for you in the description. Let's begin. Number 1. Kichae 32 White Farmhouse Sink. Enhance your kitchen with our 32-inch white farmhouse sink. Constructed from genuine fireclay, a premium white clay fired at 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit, this sink offers unparalleled strength and durability. The impact-resistant design ensures it won't yellow over time, while the surface resists chips, abrasions, and scratches. Spacious farmhouse sink bowl. Our deep 50-50 double bowl sink is designed for versatility and efficiency. The spacious bowls are perfect for multitasking. One side can be used for washing dishes while the other is ideal for rinsing vegetables or defrosting meats. The round corners and center drain facilitate easy cleanup and maintain a clutter-free workspace. Timeless elegance. The classic white farmhouse design adds a touch of timeless elegance to any kitchen. Its clean lines and smooth finish complement various kitchen styles, from traditional to modern. The white porcelain ceramic enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, creating a bright, inviting focal point. Number 2. ARTLINE 32-inch Undermount 16. The Undermount kitchen sink is engineered from TRU 16 real 16-gauge stainless steel, providing exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. As a top-tier material, this gauge ensures that the sink is dent-resistant and capable of withstanding heavy use without compromising its structure. One of the significant advantages of this sink is its resistance to rust and staining, allowing for a pristine appearance over time. The smooth satin finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also facilitates easy cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. This sink is designed as a workstation model, which includes an integrated ledge. This innovative feature enables the user to slide various accessories across the sink without taking up valuable countertop space. With overhanging lips situated at both the front and back, these act as a track for the built-in accessories. Such design allows for seamless working activities directly above the sink, promoting efficiency and reducing clutter on kitchen surfaces. The included bamboo cutting board is durable and eco-friendly, providing a perfect surface for chopping and slicing, while the heavy-duty rolling mat offers an alternative for drying dishes. Number 3. Undermount Kitchen Sink White 24-inch. Crafted from premium fireclay and fired at exceptionally high temperatures, this Undermount kitchen sink measures 24 inches and is designed to resist common kitchen wear and tear such as chips, scratches, and thermal shock. The sink boasts a non-porous surface that not only helps to prevent staining but also maintains its glossy white finish for many years, making it ideal for heavy-duty use in busy kitchens. White medium-star smooth glazed surface and easy cleaning. The fireclay material enhances the sink's quality, featuring a smooth and glossy white surface that actively resists the buildup of food residue, stains, and yellowing over time. Its flat bottom is designed with a gentle slope to facilitate seamless drainage while ensuring that your kitchen items remain stable without risk of tipping. The rounded corners further enhance usability, allowing for effortless cleaning with a simple cloth or sponge. Additionally, the sink is coated with a durable, high-temperature resistant glaze, ensuring it withstands scratches and retains its pristine appearance without fading or cracking, even after years of usage. Number 4. Ruvati 28-inch Undermount 16. Ledges on the front and back of the Undermount sink provide a track for the included accessories, allowing for seamless integration of various tools that enhance kitchen functionality. The commercial-grade brushed finish not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but is also easy to clean and durable, effectively concealing scratches and harmonizing well with your existing kitchen appliances. The ledge fit feature makes this Undermount sink compatible with over 40 optional accessories, which are interchangeable across different Ruvati workstation sinks. This provides users with a vast array of customization options for their kitchens, both now and in the future. Crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, the sink promises remarkable durability and resilience against daily kitchen activities. The commercial-grade brushed finish ensures that it remains stylish while minimizing the appearance of wear over time. Additionally, the soundproof coating, which consists of heavy-duty thick rubber padding, significantly reduces noise from dishwashing and also minimizes condensation that can lead to water damage. Number 5. Black Kitchen Sink, 23 by 18 by 5.5 inch. The 11-gauge 23 by 18-inch black single-bowl kitchen sink is designed to provide both functionality and accessibility, making it an ideal choice for various kitchen settings, especially for individuals with limited mobility. This kitchen sink comes equipped with a stainless steel bottom grid that protects the sink surface from scratches and damage while providing a sturdy base for dishes and cookware. Additionally, it includes a silicone mat that offers extra cushioning and prevents slipping of items placed inside the sink. The retractable drain basket and drain assembly enhance the usability of the sink, making it easier to manage wastewater and keep the sink tidy. With its low-height design, this sink allows users to access it effortlessly, reducing the physical strain often associated with traditional sinks. And that is what true, uncompromising quality looks like. From the forged fireclay to the precision-milled titanium, these aren't just basins, they're heirlooms. If you're ready to invest in the heart of your kitchen, every single masterpiece we featured is linked for you in the description below. If this video changed your perspective on what a kitchen basin can be, pay it forward, hit that like button, share it with a friend who appreciates fine things, and subscribe to the channel for more guides to the best of the best. Until next time, build a home you love.